dear friends, welcome to Parametric Solution Private Limited. I am Tirupati Naik. Today I am going to explain various commands of a layer. So layer is one of the most important in any projects when you are creating an drawing. So layer where we can place the various objects in different levels. And while setting these different levels, we have to set its attributes and properties like color, line type and line thicknesses. Now we're going to start with an AutoCAD. This is an overview of AutoCAD. In this, from the menu bar, there is a format command. From format, we have to select the layer command. So when you select the layer command, we have this in dialog box. It's a new layer. Create a new layer. When you are creating a new layer, you have to type the layer name as a center line and then change its color type to red color and select a line type. So in that line type, we're going to selecting a center line type and we're going to load that line type. Also, next layer is object. Select an object layer. For object, I am selecting a continuous line. The next layer is a dimension. The layer name I am putting as a dimension. And dimension, the color is green. Okay. Again, line type is continuous. The fourth layer I am creating as a text where I can put all the text font in this layer and the layer color is cyan. Okay. I have now created four different layers. One is the object, dimension, text and a center line, and there are properties and line type. After selecting this, we can close from this corner. And now this is the working area. In this drawing area, we're going to create a rectangular object. The selecting a line command. Now define the first point. The length of the drawing be defined with the absolute coordinate system, relative coordinate system and a polar coordinate system. So in this I am using a polar coordinate system as at the rate of 50 mm length less than symbol 0 degree, so that I will create a 50 mm length. After this, to create a vertical 40 mm length, again at the rate of 40 mm distance less than symbol 90 degree. So that it will create, here I am entering the command that is at the rate 40 less than symbol 90 degree. After this, towards the left side, in this direction 50 mm length would be at the rate 50 mm and less than symbol 180 degree. And then join the start of this line. Once you complete this rectangular, in this layer what I have created, we can see here this different layers. Okay, so now select the entire layer, this one, and you can put it in an object layer. Okay, now it's become the layer object. When you select this, it will be changed the layer type and color and line type. So always you have to set to a bilayer and bilayer. So next is center line. Select the center line layer and then create a center line from this end point. From this midpoint to this midpoint, or we can extend a little bit outside. Also this side also we can select this line and you can drag and we can put it here. Now the distance of these line type is a bigger size, so I can change the line type scale to around 40%. Now it looks like a center line. Again I will create a vertical center line. So I have created the vertical and horizontal center line, and then the object rectangular. Next layer I am going to change from the dimension. I have changing the dimension layer. Now after this I have to place the dimension from the dimension dialog box. Here this select the linear command, and I am going to put this dimension from this corner to this. So here I can place the 50 mm length. Also again you can repeat the same command with right button and repeat the vertical line. This is a 40 mm. Now the next I am going to create the object as a circular. Select the layer as a, select the object and select the command as a circle, and I am going to intersect at this point and create a radius as 15 mm. Okay. Then again change the layer to dimension, and I am going to change to the radius or else a diameter. So here diameter, and I can place the diameter over here or outside here. Okay. So next layer is going to selecting as text. I am selecting the text layer. The color type and line type will be changed according to that. Now I am going to write over here with the text command. Select the text command here. Okay. Then place the first point and the second point here. Okay. So once you are selecting this command as a text, we can select the text height, that's a 5 mm, and we can select the bold letter, or different settings can be done in this dialog box. Okay, so now here I am going to write as a block. The project name is a block, and enter. Okay. Okay. Dear friends, once you creating this layer and various objects in different levels, now we can go back to the layer from the option from the layer manager, and we can switch on off from here also. We can select the layer. Okay, we can switch off this layer. So now you can see that there is no object on this layer. Okay. Now from here also we can switch on step by step. Okay. So that is center line layer. I am going to switch on this. Now you can see the center line over here. And after this object layer on, now we can see the object. Then we can see dimension for this, and also we can see the text. So that's how we can use a layer command in AutoCAD. Thank you so much for watching.